this is Louie with Air Conditioning Guys, and today we're going to be doing a duct cleaning at this house. So we'll show you step by step first what happens to prepare, and then using the actual duct cleaning machine so that you have a nice, safe, and sanitized home for your family. Okay, so first thing we do is we put in our booties to protect our customers' flooring. So a lot of customers ask us if they need to leave the home while we're doing the duct cleaning, but that's not necessary at all. You can be inside the home, you can watch us do the work. It's completely safe, and so it's at the end where we actually sanitize the ducting system that we ask that you leave the home for about 30 minutes or so, but we also leave with you, so there's no need for you to feel uncomfortable, and nobody else is going to be in the home. As you can see, a lot of times this is what you get when you had pets in the home or carpet at some point. This is all in your duct system and circulating throughout the unit. You can see all these little dust mites that are there. All that lives in your air duct system, and that's what we're going to be cleaning. So it's real easy to get a hold of us for your duct cleaning service. You can go online at acguyscalifornia.com. You'll see schedule a service, click on that button, scroll down, and you'll see the actual duct cleaning service for a 1-story home or 2-story home. Just go ahead through the process, and in easy as 3 clicks, you'll have your air duct cleaning service scheduled.